Hey y'all, out here with the wife, the Vulcan 3, some 18 grain H&N pellets, and a target way back in the woods at like 131 yards. And she's trying to put pellets on a 5-inch target. Sounded like you hit.
I saw it. I think it might be it. I don't think
Alright, well, give me a minute. I'm gonna walk down and check it. Yeah, so the wife is a sharp shooting woman. That's for sure. Didn't take her long. Let's see if she got it or not. And you'll see how far in here and how she's shooting at it. See it? See the little target back there? 130 yards. 131. 132 actually. Looks like she dead centered it on. No, close to dead center. Nice. You see the porch way up there? Oh, well, you can barely see it. That's what she shot through. She's up on the porch. Tink. Awesome.